Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Profits tab and how profit is applied in the quotation. In this video, we will explain the Summary tab. To access this section, simply click on the Summary tab inside the quotation. The Summary tab is the final control point of the quotation, where all costs, selling prices, and profits are calculated and displayed based on the selected hotel option and group categories. At the top of the page, you can toggle between hotel categories such as 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star, and the system will automatically update all values accordingly. Now, let's go through the screen column by column to fully understand how the calculation works. Starting with the first 4 columns, highlighted in light blue. These are coming directly from the Transportation tab, and they represent the base reference for the calculation. Here we can see the group categories, Pax ranges, the free Pax in double and single, the vehicle type assigned for each category. These values define how the pricing structure is built for each group. Next, we move to the orange columns, which represent costs calculated per person. These include single supplement, hotel meals, hotel accommodation in double, local restaurant, entrance fees, extras per person, extras per capacity, per person share, and excursions. All of these are calculated per passenger. For example, if we click on the hotel in DBL value, the system will generate a detailed breakdown showing night-by-night hotel cost, meal cost, accommodation cost, and free policy deduction. The same logic applies to restaurants, entrances, extras, and excursions. Clicking any value will show a full breakdown for verification. Now we reach one of the most important columns, which is the free Pax cost. This column represents the cost of the free guest, distributed across the group. Let's take the 15 to 20 group category as an example. Here, we have 1 free Pax in double room. To calculate this, the system sums all per-person services for that free guest, which are hotel meals, hotel in DBL, local restaurant, entrance fees, extras per person, extras per capacity, per person share, and excursions. The total in this example is $718. Then the system divides this amount by the minimum number of Pax in the group, which is 15. 718 divided by 15 equals 47.8, which is rounded to $48. This is the free Pax cost for this category. Now, if the free Pax is in a single room, the system will include the single supplement in the calculation. For example, in the 20 to 24 group category, 718 plus 370 equals 1,088. 1,088 divided by 20 equals 54.4, rounded to $54. Now, if the group has both single and double free Pax, like in the next category, which is from 25 to 29 guests, the system calculates each one separately. Single room free Pax, 1,069 divided by 25 equals 42.7. Double room free Pax, 699 divided by 25 equals 27.96. Then combines them. 42.7 plus 27.96 equals 70.66, rounded to $71. So the logic is, if the free guest is in double only, the system will calculate DBL share. If the free guest is in single only, the system will calculate include single supplement. If the free guests are in both double and single, the system will calculate separately and combine. This ensures the free Pax cost is always calculated accurately. Now we move to the yellow columns, which represent costs calculated per group, not per person. These include transportation cost, guide cost, and local guide. If we click on any of these values, the system will generate a detailed breakdown showing how the cost is calculated across the program days. If we want to see the full cost structure, we can click on the total cost, and the system will generate a complete breakdown of all services and their prices. Next, we have the fixed profit column. By clicking on it, we can assign a fixed profit amount. For example, if we want to add $50 profit to the 15 to 20 group category, we click on the field and a pop-up will appear. From here, we can choose how to apply it. Current category only, all categories, current option only, and all options. In our case, we select Apply Fixed Profit for current category at current option, so it applies only to this specific category. Finally, we have the last columns: average profit percent, selling price, net profit. These represent the final results that will be presented to the client. This completes the explanation of the Summary tab. In the next video, we will explain the toolbar options. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.